Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare product line review for you guys. I'm not just going to be reviewing one product, I'll be reviewing the entire line of the SKINRx MADECERA product line. Now before we get into any of that, I just want to put out a little disclaimer that I am not a skincare or beauty expert. This is just my personal opinion and experience with these products, and my skin type is normal everywhere else except for my T-zone where I am oily. As you guys can see, there's a bit of shine, but anyway, that is not the point. These are all of the products I'm going to be reviewing today. It's basically a basic skincare routine and it's all from the same line. So this one is the MADECERA cream. It is a mild whipped cleanser. And then this one is the MADECERA cream double essence toner. And this one that I already finished up is the MADECERA cream. I used all of these products for about a month and I wrote down all of my thoughts on them. Okay, so let's start with the packaging. Okay, so overall I think the packaging is really great. They actually all came in cute pink boxes, exactly these colors, and I also wore pink today to match. But yeah, overall I think the packaging was great. Very pretty basic packaging, but also very sturdy, and I like the coloring and everything. And I also like that this kind of looked like it was medicine, like it's medicine for your skin. So yeah, overall I think the packaging was okay. And but this one, I was hoping that the packaging for this one would be kind of better. Like these two are really great packaging, but this one, I don't know, maybe a different type of packaging, because I kind of had a hard time because I had to keep folding this. But I guess also that was good since I ended up not wasting product. But yeah, overall I just wish that this particular packaging was better. I don't know, maybe a tub or something, or I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to seeing skincare products in this packaging. But yeah, overall packaging was good, very functional, not cheap packaging. So yeah, I'm very happy with that one. And in terms of the smell, all of them actually smell really amazing. Like this one, I mean, this is just a cleanser, but wow, that smells good. And they all actually smell the same. So yeah, that's how you can tell that. But this one smells powdery, more powdery than this one, but they all, I think, basically have the same scent. And then also what I noticed with all three products is that a little really goes such a long way. Like with this one, this cleanser, I made a mistake the first time I used it. I put like a lot, because that's what I usually do with my other cleansers, but wow, I ended up putting it on the rest of my body just because I didn't want to waste it. But yeah, that's how I learned that with this one, just a little dot, like a pea or even smaller than a pea, is more than enough, because you lather it up and then it's gonna fit your face and your neck and everything and your décolleté just with that one little speck. So yeah, just be careful with this one. Don't overuse it. So that's also the great thing about these products, is that since you just need a little bit and it's just gonna cover everything already, it's gonna last a really long time. That's also why I haven't finished this. I've actually been using this longer than a month, like this particular one, and it has not, I haven't really used up so much of it. And this one I really like as well, because I just put like it's just one drop. It's not a drop, like just one like that, and then it's good, covers my entire face and everything. This one, oh my gosh, this one, when I first saw it, I was like, wow, this will probably last a week with me, because I tend to use a lot of moisturizer. But this one, if you just put a little bit, it's really gonna cover your entire face and you'll feel moisturized and everything. So yeah, that long story short, a little really goes a long way with these products. So just be careful. It's easier to, you know, just put a little bit, and then when you realize, oh, I need some more, just add, versus like putting so much like what I did the first time I used it. But anyway, yeah. And also the cleanser. So the thing I noticed about this cleanser, the thing I love so much about this one, is it really cleansed my face. Like I felt the cleanliness, you know, it really cleansed my face without stripping it. You know, like my face didn't feel dry, it didn't feel like because there are some facial washes I use and after I use it I'm like, wow, where'd the moisture go, you know? But this one did not do that one at all. It's a really great experience using this, because it's like a milky whipped cleanser. Well, it does say it's a whipped cleanser, but when you put it on, it's like a smooth and silky cleanser. Does that make sense? It's like if silk became soap, this is what it would feel like. I don't know if you understand that, but anyway, so yeah, I really like it. It's such a great thing, such a great experience. Like, put this all over your face. Even my husband likes this. It's a really, really great cleanser. I love it. And again, great thing about it, it doesn't strip your face. Your face doesn't feel flaky or dry, after which some cleansers, my gosh, they just go ham on your face, and that's just not good. For this toner, I noticed that it's actually really great at removing excess makeup, and also it absorbs really quickly into the skin, and it feels like exactly the same as this cleanser. It feels like it's silk. It feels like you're rubbing silk all over your skin. Okay, I don't know if I'm describing that correctly, but you know, just try it out and you'll see what I mean. And the interesting about this, oh, because I shook it already, if you just let it stay, you're gonna see a separation between like the toner and the cream. That's why you have to shake it before you use it, so that the cream actually gets distributed into the toner. And I think that's what gives it the nice silky feeling, and like in turn makes your skin feel like silk as well. Is that this toner actually has cream, which is something I've never tried before. Usually the toners I use are just like basically water, but this one is water plus some cream, so I really like that one. And this moisturizer, this one, super moisturizing. Like, it's just amazing. You know, overall with these 3 products, my skin just felt like silk. That's basically what happened. It just felt so soft and silky and luxurious, and I really, really liked it. And using all 3 together it's amazing. Like, it feels really luxurious, and I just loved every time I used it. I just had such a great time. And I say that because I'm no longer using this because, you know, it ran out, but I'm still currently using this one. I'm still currently using these 2, and my skin is loving it. I mean, look at that. I mean, I am wearing makeup, but you can still see that my skin is doing really well, even though I'm using a different moisturizer now. But anyway, so I listed down all the different things that it did to my skin. So I noticed that it lessened the redness, the natural redness that my skin had, but it also made my skin matte. So my skin looked matte, but it didn't feel dry, and it still looked it still felt moisturized. And I also noticed that my T-zone was less oily, which is always good for someone like me. And I also noticed that some pimples would pop up. I don't know why. But overall it was okay because my skin felt really moisturized and glowy, and also very balanced. Like, it wasn't too dry, it wasn't too moist, it was just right in the middle. And then it felt really soft. Yes, so as I've been saying, it really feels like silk when you put these products on, and it also makes your skin nice and soft like silk. So yeah. And then the more I used it, like on day 4, I noticed the pimples shrunk. My skin also felt really dewy and smooth and felt really balanced. And you know, just overall, I just had such a great experience with this one. In my phone, I actually record like my daily experience with the product. So yeah, overall, I highly recommend these products, and a special shout out to the Beauty Edit for introducing me to these products. I mean, wow, I really like the entire line, and it's one of those things where if you just use all of them, they just work so well together. They were really made for each other. They're like a little skincare family. And on top of using these, I also used my niacinamide and everything. So this one, it just seamlessly, you know, blended into my normal everyday skincare routine, which I think is really, really great, and I loved it. And this is definitely something I would recommend to you guys if you like Korean skincare, because if I remember correct, well, there's Korean characters here, so I'm pretty sure this was made in Korea, and we all know what they say about Korean products. It's just really great, especially for our Filipino skin. So yeah, overall, really, really happy with these products. This is definitely something I would recommend that you guys try out. It's quite an experience, and I'm trying to remember if I have tried products that are similar to this toner, because for me, this one is one of the most unique. I mean, yeah, the moisturizer is great, it works really well, this one as well, but this one, I don't think I have ever come across a toner that has cream in it. and I honestly really loved the feeling. I loved what it did to my skin, and definitely this is something that I would recommend you guys try out. Well, all of them actually are really good. Overall, this entire line is really great, would highly recommend it, and I think when I finish these, I would want to try their other lines, because this one is, well, they have this pink line, but they also have other ones. They have green, they have blue, so it really depends on what your skin is looking for, so they do have something for everyone. So I'm checking out the SKINRx LAB PH on Instagram, and you can actually buy their products from both Shopee and Lazada, and I'm pretty sure you can also message them here to get their products. You know, it's very accessible to everyone, which is really great. And I'm actually seeing so many good reviews as well on this pink line that I tried. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!